How you doing? I am fighting a tin of tomatoes with a can opener. It doesn't want to work, but it seems to be working. It is open. Put tomatoes in a nice dish. Come add a bit of water. Some water. Right, Velvet Arts and Mr. V. We were talking about pasta, weren't we? And sauce. So, the other one I did another video as well, and I forgot to put in about how I made the sauce. So, this is it. Now this is another version. Italian herbs in a pan which has one small brown onion chopped up into small pieces, a stock cube, a beef stock cube. It also has one small cup of lentils in there. So we've got all that in there good so far. And the other thing I'm going to add is some bits of bacon, the fatty bits. Eat rashers for breakfast. So just lob them in there. Right, so that's good. I'll put the bacon away. Now, in this plastic, I have some already cooked, previously cooked carrots. So what we're going to do, get myself a wee knife, and just, let's so dough rabbit. Alright. Just slice them up in there. Well, they're already cooked, so they will they'll blend down quite nicely. So we're getting all these carrots in here. Sorry about the quiet there. Just concentrating on not cutting my fingers off. Get all these carrots in. Nice little bits. Now normally if I had some celery, I would add that at this juncture. Just gives it a nice flavour. I could also always put in fresh basil. So I'm going to put in some of the tomatoes now, and some of the sauce. The tomatoes, that goes in. There's some black pepper, goes in. Put it back down here, yeah. Put that in there. Give that a whirl. I think I might have to go up a pan size. And then I need some puree. Get a good double of puree in there. Don't muck about. to make a sauce, it might be nice when it tastes nice. Very nice, very nice. And yeah. And these are red lentils I put in here. They're not the mung bean types, you know, they're just normal lentils. Lentils? What do you say? So, yeah. So all that's in there now. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to allow that to steep. So that all those juices can mix in together. They're lovely. Yeah, they're lovely. So, put some stuff away here in the cupboard behind the camera. Right. Now what you should do now is clean your hands and clean down your tops. So I'll do that. You don't need soap, just a dishcloth. So clean it down. When you're cleaning, when you're cooking, especially you lads, always clean down after you. When any mess, do it. Get nice and clean. Keep your burns out of the kitchen. Yeah, so I've got my mixture in here, in this pan. Down here, that's the pan there. Got the mixture in it. So what I'm going to do now is put a lid on it. So there's, you know, little sayings that comes from different things in life. Put a lid on it. Put a lid on it. So I've done that now. So what I'm going to do with that now, I'm going to leave that. I'll let the lentils soak up all that juice and get all the flavour in. And the next time we come back, I would have put it in a blender or a liquidizer and blitzed the living out of it. So you see how that's done? Like that. And blitzed it right down so that what we get left is a nice unctuous sauce to dress our pasta with. Isn't that nice? And with that, ladies and gentlemen, further ado, I shall leave it here for now.